Hello everybody, Brian here, 1346 on September 27th, Monday. Today, interesting story came up in the last 24 hours. Hamster trades cryptocurrencies, outperforms. Warren Buffett, his portfolio is up 24% since he began trading in June. I am a pathetic little human being. Alright, so let's get into what we're doing here. I'm just running the usual culprits. Now, I wanted to go over, I'm now doing setups for MotiveWave, cryptocurrency, and Kraken exchange using MotiveWave. Now, I've talked about it numerous times enough that do I really need to go over this? Why we're doing this? I'll just tell you right now that with YouTube, with Python, it's challenging to get automated execution working. If you go to my channel at youtube.com/quantlabs, there's a couple of videos I've been talking, I think, last few days. Let me just pull them up here. Where it really started was crypto trading with Kraken on MotiveWave. So that's where I started really talking about that. That's about, I believe, half an hour long. Yeah, 32 minutes. Then I talked about a new Python script showing winners in a tough market. And then all of these other ones you should be not, okay, well, we'll leave it, those two videos, watch, okay? So anyways, the ones I just ran, with the markets not doing too good here, we have a weighted average of -1, which is pretty strong, deep. Now, when you look at, some of these were winners yesterday. Let me just first show you the winners. These are the winning trades so far. So there's Filecoin. So again, this is MotiveWave. You can see here, this is on an hourly basis, a slight trend. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and brag about it, okay? It is a trend, okay? But you can see here on a 20-minute, that's a pretty good $52 to $62 since 4 p.m. yesterday, okay? Considering we have a down market, I'd be happy with that, okay? So same with the 15-minute market, just kind of flat. Now the other one, now this one I don't think we could trade in North America, restrict a coin on Kraken, but if you don't have that restriction, again, look at this price. So you're going from, with this one called PERP, P-E-R-P, from price there at $10.51, peaked at $16, okay? That's a pretty good run up, and then it started to decline. So that reached peak around 4 a.m. Okay, so I'm just running it again. These scripts here, right here, just waiting for the result. So it's all the stuff that are combined with the technical, the order book, all that fun stuff, right? So I'm gonna go through this, see what it's pumped out. Okay, so let me just go through this. I got a file here. And then we could maybe get another set around of coins to look at. So at the bottom here, these are the setups, okay, for potential entry. So the only one here was we have file PERP still. So going to the top here, I just want to show you yet again, if you're new to this, what we want to do here is look at the entry. So we have here coin XRP. We'll just see what that. See, I'm going to show you how useful this stuff is, okay? Because where I've been messed up on thinking coins are really good to trade, you could see here XRP with the similar pattern I just showed you with both Filecoin and the other one. You can see here it's strong right here. It's somewhat strong on the order book, but because we're now starting to see, let's see here, we got a bullish signal on the 25th, today's the 27th. what we're looking for, it's right here. No cross buy or sell. So I think what this is saying, it's in the tail end of the of this last rally, and you can see that here. So that's what we're interpreting there as you go through this to get more experienced with it. Another coin looks like it's XMR. Let me just look for entry here. So this one's generating a sell. Okay, so you can see that there. So you don't want to take that coin. We have here another coin, that's the PERP. Okay, so that's a strong one. A little better on the order book ratio, so we can generate entries and stuff. Let's see what else we got here. We have also a sell signal for Bitcoin Cash, because that, again, that's sell signal. So this right here, when you start to see a bunch of them, like with Monero, Bitcoin Cash, you know there's going to be a dip, and over the next 24 hours that will happen. So here we have Filecoin, same idea, not so strong, but we don't see the moving average cross sell yet. So this can be very useful. It is telling you that there will be a dip in the market. Bitcoin, another one. We had a valid cross sell here. Don't see anything any bearish, but that's good enough for me to stay away. See another one, another sell here. Ethereum Classic. So we know what is going on. So that's how accurate this can be. Same with Litecoin, another sell. Doesn't matter where things are at. We are expecting a big drop to come over the next 12, 24 hours. Sand has another sell signal. XLM, same. We have Matic, Chainlink. This one's holding its own. WBTC. It's not usually a strong one, but you can see here we have a negative order book, meaning more sells are more bids than asks. Doge has another sell signal, but I'm not seeing the sell signal in the pattern, in the candle pattern. So that is why you want to have more in this process of analysis to sort of set out which ones will hold their own fairly well. Cardano, speaking of, that one's supposed to be moving up. How's it been doing? Very steep decline there. So 4 a.m. here, 15-minute, peaked at 2:30, all the way down to 2:16. So that's not a good thing. All right, so continuing along, QTUM sell signal, Zcash sell signal, and these were doing really well yesterday. XRP we already looked at. Ren was fairly strong. Let me show that, even though it's restricted. Right here, you can see it's been really strong. Has a pullback here on around the 25th. This is an hour chart. Another little rally, and then it starts to flatten out. So this does work. This is telling you get out. If you have open positions, get out, and just don't really trade. So we have here CHZ. Here we have a profitable. So this one, I'll take a look at. Is there a signal here? Yeah, oh, interesting, we have a buy. Interesting. It's not very strong, but let me just see what's going on with this one. So this one, breaking it down, might be an okay one to look at. Again, as usual, it's a restricted coin. Best performing coins are always restricted. I don't know why. Daily chart. Just look at that downward pressure. So it was launched in July, and it's not far off from that low since July. So again, I wouldn't touch this coin. That's probably why it wasn't picked. Just continuing along. Last one is KSM. Entry. a little positive. I'll just look at that just for kick's sake. Alright. Okay. So there's not much to choose from outside of this PERP, but I think that will not do too good there too. So let me just pull up KSM. But hopefully you could see some of the value in this. If you've got open positions, knowing that there will be a drop, that will save you a ton of money. So KSM is dropping, as you can see there. So all in all, I think that's pretty good, even though it's not right conditions yet. So like I said, I've got this, obviously you could probably know I'm on YouTube, but as I said, if you want to learn more, I've got my daily newsletter. You can just go to quantlabs.net, sign up there at actually contact, quantlabs.net/contact right here. You can enter in all your info. It's all kept confidentially. Nothing's sold, so on and so forth. Lastly, we have our chat server, quantlabs.info. In there I put my analysis as well, more real time. I just find putting stuff on a blog is more time consuming. So we have here all the different topics. So if you want to know more, just go there, quantlabs.info. All right, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day.